Hey guys, welcome to Andy's Quick News Look of the Tech News Look. Fortnite has been banned from the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store after Epic Games let people bypass the 30% cut Apple and Google impose on its in-app purchases. In response, Epic Games has filed suit against Google and Apple for anti-competitive practices and made a video called 1980 Fortnite, a parody of the popular Apple ad called 1984. Speaking of Epic Games, they claim that Google blocked OnePlus and LG from installing or distributing the Epic Games app and storefront on its devices. Starting this August, OnePlus will host Red Cable Day on the 17th of each month to give back to the community in India. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm on Twitch, Pinterest, Google Keen and Dailymotion, so you can follow me on them. I've got a website where you can read about the tech news and more called sandralinux.com, so you can check that out. And comment down below a suggestion for future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see tech news, reviews and how-tos. I post every day, so be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. But until next one, goodbye.